What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to upgrade from a standard steering wheel to the M Sport steering wheel. Now, as you all know, I've got a BMW 3 Series E90. I'll be showing you the upgrade. Now, I know I've not really been active on my socials, but stay tuned. I'll be more active on my socials and I'll be uploading more videos. Hope you enjoy this one. Before you work with any airbags, you've got to make sure that the battery is disconnected. So I'll be showing you how to do that as well. Now, to stay on the safe side, I have a piece of cloth here. I'm just going to put it through here so that the boot cannot close, because once the battery is disconnected and the boot is closed, it's going to be complicated. You'd want to avoid the hassle. So now the battery is located in the boot, in the side compartment right here. And now, as you can see, this is the negative terminal. It's usually a 10mm bolt that you just remove and the terminal will disconnect, and you need to put it somewhere safe and isolated. Now the battery is disconnected, and I forgot to mention, make sure your steering wheel is straight before you disconnect the battery, so that when you put the new steering wheel on, it's straight. Now you want to find a flathead screwdriver like so, and there's already a hole here, and you just want to put your flathead screwdriver in. You want to keep pushing and then pull out the way. So you just want to, there we go. I've got full access. Now you want to pull towards that way. Okay, 5 minutes after, airbag is finally out. As you can see, there's like these two clips that you just put your screwdriver in. And now we're going to disconnect the wiring. Like so. Airbag is removed. Now the whole idea of using the flathead screwdriver, now I'll show you how it works, is to get in contact with the clip that holds the airbag, as you can see. And now I told you, you're going to put it like this. So when you do that, you're moving the clip. So that's the whole idea behind that, which is we have on both sides. So now I'm going to show you like this, and that's how you do it. That's how you move the clip, and the airbag pops out. Now we have got a 16mm bolt, and we're just going to remove that. Now we've got my ratchet here, and we're just going to see how tight the BMWs usually put it. So let's see. Oh, that's quite tight actually. Okay, we have unlocked it. Now what you're going to do, does it come and loose? Okay, looks like it's coming loose. Now, new check. Okay, we can just unloosen it by hand. Now, that is the bolt that keeps your steering wheel. So I just managed to fit my flathead, and there's a little locker right here, and you just need to fidget around with it, and then it eventually comes off. Now, the steering wheel is finally removed from the vehicle. Now I've got the M Sport steering wheel here. Now, as you can see the difference, already you can see by the handles, it's much more comfortable, and it's got the M Sport badge, and it just looks more sportier and better than the standard that we had here. Now you just want to push this in, make sure it fits perfect. So once you place the steering wheel in, you would like to connect the wirings. So this would plug in straight into here. That's clicked in there, and now this wire here, that's for your stereo controls. So you just want to plug that in, and it will click right back in. There we go. And now, before you connect these wires to the airbag, make sure you get the 16mm bolt back in there. So we have the airbag right here, and now we've got a green terminal and a black terminal, and obviously it's color coded in here. That clipped in right there, and now you want to click the black in, like so. So now we've got the airbag connected securely, and now you just want to position it and click it right back in. From one side to another. Now we have the airbag in securely, the steering wheel in. As you can see the difference here, I mean, this is just flat, and it doesn't have really a good grip that you can have and have fun driving, whereas here you can just see the humps and the pattern, the tread. It's got the M Sport badge. It looks much nicer, and you can, you know, grip onto it much nicer. And yeah, it's going to be a much more fun drive compared to this one. And yeah, it just gives your car a modern look and an updated look, and it looks better. And yeah, that's the difference. Now I'm just going to connect the negative terminal back onto the battery and show you the warning lights. If there's anything, let's hope that we succeeded. Now we're going to start the car, and I've already got warning lights in relation to my traction control, so I'm aware of that. I'm still in the progress of getting that fixed. And so apart from the traction control and the braking system warning lights, there should not be anything else, but we're going to find out now. So let's plug it in, start the car. Now, okay, everything well so far. Let's check. Okay. Now, as you can see, there's no warning lights in relation to the steering wheel system. So this has been a success. Now, the only difference here, because we disconnected the battery, we will need to reset the time and the date. Let's test if our control works, so we can, hang on. So yeah, it's currently working because I'm switching my tracks with my control, and the volume can be adjusted, I believe so. So yeah, control still works. Now let's test the horn. Horn works perfectly fine, as you can hear yourself. Talking about the looks, it's not brand new, so it does have a little bit of age-related marks. However, I'm going to give this a good clean, and yeah, overall, I mean, it feels amazing. It may not seem a big difference on video, but when you're actually driving the car, this is my daily, so I can already feel the difference just by holding on to it. It's going to be a much more fun drive, and not the boring standard steering wheel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I really hope this video comes in good use, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And a quick update to let you guys know that I'm currently working on a project in relating to this car. It'll be out very soon, and now it's in relation to converting this vehicle to the M Sport LCI version. And I'm going to show you exactly what to do and what I will be doing. So yeah, don't forget to keep up to date with my socials. I'm going to be active from now on my socials, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook @officialbighuss. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.